Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum with Robinhood. To begin, download the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit their website. You'll need to create an investment account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Make sure to complete the identity verification steps, providing details like your social security number and address. Finally, link your bank account to Robinhood. This is crucial for funding your future cryptocurrency purchases. Once your account is set up, it's time to add some funds. Open the Robinhood app and find the Transfers section. Here, you can initiate a deposit from your linked bank account directly into your Robinhood investing account. You have the flexibility to choose how much you want to deposit, with options starting from just $1. Remember, larger deposits might take a few business days to fully clear, but you often get instant access to a portion for trading. Now for the exciting part, buying Ethereum. Use the search bar at the top of the Robinhood app and type in Ethereum or its ticker symbol, ETH. Once you're on the Ethereum asset page, simply tap the Buy button. You can then enter the specific dollar amount you wish to invest, perhaps starting with $10 or $20. Review your order details carefully, then swipe up or confirm to complete your purchase. Congratulations, you're now an Ethereum owner. You can easily monitor your investment's performance directly within your Robinhood portfolio. The app provides real-time price updates and charts to help you track its value. Consider setting up price alerts to receive notifications when Ethereum reaches certain levels. If you decide to sell, simply navigate back to the Ethereum page and select Sell, converting your crypto back into cash in your Robinhood account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.